Good evening. Anything that we discuss is going to be for educational purposes. I'd like to welcome you all to Digital Trading Floor. It's a platform where we disseminate financial data in real time to provide actionable insights. Objective for making this video is to analyze Nifty options open interest data. We would be analyzing the Nifty index spot on multiple time frames and framing a view for tomorrow, Friday, uh, the 13th. And apart from the index, we would also be discussing our stock watch list. So let's start by analyzing Nifty options open interest data. So for 18th August weekly expiry series, you will see that highest amount of open interest in puts is currently at 16,300 put strike followed by 16,200 put strike. So for this series, 16,200 and 16,300 are likely to act as strong support, and you will see that highest amount of open interest in calls is currently at 16,500 strike followed by 16,400 call strike. So for this weekly expiry series, 16,400 and 16,500 are likely to act as strong resistances, and broadly speaking we are going to be trading in a range of 16,500 to the upside and 16,200 to the downside based on options open interest data. If we analyze the index on multiple time frame, you will see that on the monthly time frame we are under control of buyers as we are trading above the monthly open, which is at 15,874 levels, and on the weekly level as well you will see that we are now under control of buyers and we are trading above the weekly open, which is at 16,281 level. So we had a situation above 16,280 level where we had full time frame continuity, that is on all the time frame, on the monthly time frame, the weekly time frame as well as the daily time frame. Market was under control of buyers, as on all the time frames market was trading above their respective opening prices. So in terms of price structure, now we have made a higher high and a higher low, and as anticipated yesterday we had uh, highest ever expiry close for the index. So based on this, we get the following scenario for tomorrow, Friday the 13th. Above 16,375 levels, we can trade towards 16,399 levels, 16,429 levels, and potentially 16,464 levels. And below 16,320 levels, we can trade towards 16,286 levels, 16,262 levels, and potentially 16,232 levels tomorrow. And the broad range in which one can refrain from trading tomorrow is 16,375 to 16,320 on the index spot. If we analyze our stock watch list for tomorrow, the stocks that we have chosen, they have all formed an inside candlestick pattern on the daily time frame. So we look to establish a position if either sides high-low range breaks. That is, inside candles are formed whenever there is an equilibrium between both the buyers and the sellers. So if market trade above today's highs, we'll look for buying opportunity, and if the market trade below today's low, we'll look for selling opportunity in these stocks. Our first stock is Hindalco. It's in an uptrend based on 5 and 20-day exponential moving averages. So we'll look for buying opportunity above 444.4 levels. And aggressive traders can also look for selling opportunity below 433.75 levels. Our next stock is Marico. Marico is now in a downtrend based on 5 and 20-day exponential moving averages, and we'll look for selling opportunity below 514.25 levels, and aggressive traders can also look for buying opportunity above 522.65 levels. Our next stock is Glenmark. It's in a downtrend based on 5 and 20-day exponential moving averages. So we'll look for selling opportunity below 567.5 levels, and aggressive traders can also look for buying opportunity above 583.4 levels. And our final stock for tomorrow based on inside candlestick pattern on the daily time frame is ICICI Bank. It's in an uptrend based on the 5 and 20-day exponential moving averages. So we'll look for buying opportunity above 703 levels, and aggressive traders can also look for selling opportunity below 693.2 level. Finally, before ending this video, I like to summarize that tomorrow above 16,375 levels, we can trade towards 16,429 levels, and below 16,320 level, we can potentially trade toward 16,262 levels. And for the 18th August weekly expiry series, we are trading in a broad 300 point range at this point of time, with 16,500 likely to act as a strong resistance and 16,200 as a strong support. And the max pain level for 18th August weekly expiry is at 16,300. So if market expires on 18th August at 16,300 levels, in that scenario, call and put option writers of 16,300 strike would be making profits. And we have already discussed our stock watch list, which comprises of inside candlestick pattern on the daily time frame. The stocks are ICICI Bank, Hindalco, Marico, and Glenmark. And I like to remind you that do stay tuned for our long short bias stock watch list, which I would be sharing in a blog post around 9:45 p.m. And I like to thank you all for watching this video. Do hit the like button, share this video, and subscribe to Digital Trading Flow YouTube channel. Thank you.